Top R. It says real is top rarity. Yeah, it says here. This one is a tooth whitening mousse in mint flavor for a cool and refreshing fresh breath. There are two usage methods. One is you use it as mouthwash. Second is brushing style. So we will do the brushing style. Hey guys, beautiful day. Bago ako maghilamos ng aking face, I'll be using this Top R Mint Tooth Whitening Mousse. Cool and refreshing fresh breath. I've been using this for the past 5 days. I can say merong instant effect but not drastic ang change sa aking teeth. This is the current situation ng aking teeth. Ayan. As you can see, hindi naman masyadong dilaw or yellow ang rehistro sa camera. But in here, medyo off-white siya compared sa part na to. Ayan. See that? Tapos yung dito ka, medyo yellowish. So, try natin to again. So after 3 minutes, I gargle my mouth, rinse off the mousse, and then ito yung effect. Ayan. Actually, sa camera parang walang nangyari, but sa actual makikita mo na nag-lighten talaga ang aking teeth. So I can say na this product must be used consistently on a daily basis para mas makita mo yung effect niya. Hindi kasi siya katulad sa mga ibang whitening products, whitening teeth products na nagamit ko, na meron talagang instant effect, just like bamboo charcoal powder, teeth whitening toothpaste, or teeth whitening strip na with this one, dapat consistent ang gamit. Ang maganda lang dito, guys, is hindi siya messy compared sa activated charcoal powder. Kasi yun, nakakaputi, nakakawala ng bad breath. And also, parang pati gums mo tsaka dila mo malinis talaga. But then, yun nga, medyo messy siya sa sink. Yung mint flavor niya is hindi ganun ka-anghang, hindi siya nakakapasok sa mouth. With other teeth whitening kasi, meron talagang maanghang talaga masyado. And also, I've tried yung teeth whitening machine, yung ganyan. Mas okay to kaysa doon. Kasi yun, parang charge mo pa, wait ka pa ng 30 minutes na para kang nagsusuot ng mouthpiece. But still, that is effective. If you want to try that, kaya mong gamitin siya ng matagal sa mouth mo, matitiis mo, because yung mint flavor niya hindi ganun kaanghang compared to other teeth whitening toothpaste. Maanghang siya, tapos hindi mo matitiis, hindi ka aabot ng 3 minutes, maluluwa mo na kailangan ka nang mag-rinse ng mouth mo. Kasi yun nga, hindi mo kakayanin. With this one, kakayanin mo kahit 5 minutes pa siya sa teeth mo kasi hindi siya ganun kaanghang. So if you want to try this one, link ko lang sa yellow basket.